Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell.
Good morning, everybody. This is our daily motivation. This is our morning motivation. This is to get us get up, to get moving, and to be a part of the living. But we have to start our day with something positive. And that positivity comes from praying, from doing our daily affirmations, and simply putting it out into the atmosphere, just saying it so that we can manifest greatness. So, wherever God has put you, there is something for you to do. You have to remember that. God wants to use you where you're at and with what you already have, okay? Not just in the future when you get to where you think you want to go, but right now, at this very minute. And you don't have to be a superstar. You don't have to be a celebrity. You don't have to have 1 million followers on YouTube. Nothing of that. You don't have to wait until you feel equipped to live a life that counts. This is the time right now for you to start the rest of your life. You have to speak things into existence. You have to wake up every morning and know that you are important, that you matter, and that you are a child of God. Listen, we may not be able to fix what those around us are going through. We may not be able to fix all of the hard times that we have to go through, but we can be a part of the journey by listening, by praying, by doing our affirmations and staying positive. No one should have to experience the hard stuff in this life alone. But you know what? The good news is we can pray together. We can listen to each other and we can walk alongside each other. It's really simple. It's really something you could do every single day. You can wake up with a positive attitude. You could look out and search for somebody who may need a helping hand, and sharing your testimony also is a good thing because you never know what people are facing. You never know what your neighbor is going through. So once you share your story, sometimes that is the lifeline that people need to get up, get moving. Sometimes it's the lifeline that people need to live their life with a new type of energy. They got reason to wake up in the morning. And so the next time you feel sad, reach out and help somebody. Okay? The next time you're facing a challenge, instead of thinking through the worst thing that could happen, ask yourself a different question. What is the best thing that could happen? And when you do that, when you switch all that negativity and focus on the positive, you're able to help other people. You're able to walk a certain way in a new light. This is the time. This is your season for change. Not only change, but for you to help somebody else. You never know who needs help. You never know who needs your love. You never know who might need some encouragement today. You see what I'm saying? You just never know what people are going through. When you're not feeling well and when you're going through a battle of your own or when you don't even feel like it, just strive each day to help somebody else. Be ready to pour out your love to somebody else. Open your hands and open your heart to other people and watch and see what comes back. It's a wonderful feeling to help others because God doesn't call any of us to be average. Don't settle. I'm telling you, nobody is average. We are super. We are special. We are unique. We are children of God. So don't settle because you're afraid. Don't settle because you don't know which way to go because God is directing your steps. Because the pressure may be too high for you and you may not think that nobody's around, but God is with you. Just because you had a bad experience in the past, don't let it dictate all the wonderful things that God has in store for you. You have such great things in store. And the little things that we do each day, like I said, helping other people, being positive and sharing your joy. And if you have give your blessings to others. When you share those little things, and we do it on each given day, sometimes things are greater than others. We will learn a valuable lesson on how to give back to our fellow, to our neighbors, to our friends, our family, whoever may need it. Don't let life get away. Don't let your life just pass you by and you're not doing anything for the goodness of God. You can impact others on a small level each day. There is always something to do. There is always something to do. And most people think, it's monetary, but it really doesn't have to be. There is always something you could do. You can donate with your time, your money, your clothes, your shoes, your knowledge. And if you have some type of profession, if you're a lawyer, a doctor, or anything like that, a teacher, you can help and donate your time, counseling, to help people to study, to mentor. Just pay attention. Pay attention, YouTube. Pay attention, Positive Patch, and look around you today. And you know what? Listen to what God is trying to tell you today and see how you can motivate somebody. See how you can uplift somebody and encourage somebody. Remember, our goal here at the Positive Patch is to uplift, encourage, and inspire as many people as we can on any given day. So I thank you for listening to this motivational speech. It's just something that I thought about this morning. Stay positive, stay focused, and help others. Okay, God bless you all.
Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.